the entire planet. This right here is the South China Sea, the East Vietnamese Sea, the West Philippine Sea. You see what I mean? Not even the name can be agreed upon. And all this controversy stems from the fact that every country in the world is allowed to own up to 200 nautical miles away from their coast, which just allows countries to do things like oil mining near their mainland without the threat of other nations trying to steal the resources. However, when you have this many countries all bunched up in the same region, things are bound to go south pretty quickly. For example, Brunei's ocean claim looks pretty normal, but once we add in the claims of Malaysia, the Philippines, and Vietnam, the issue starts to become pretty clear. But perhaps the wildest claim of all is that of China, who essentially said, I don't care what anybody else thinks, I'm gonna claim the entire sea. China most likely had its eye on the huge amounts of oil the sea possesses and wanted all that to itself. In fact, they wanted it so bad that they literally built artificial islands in this region to validate their claim. And with Taiwan claiming the same exact ocean space as China, what this means is that now you have 6 different countries all fighting for access to the same space, making this sea the most disputed region on the planet.